Hey everyone, and welcome back to Praxide Gallery. As you know, nowadays I'm using color pencils to try out, and I am enjoying it. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about one important thing which every beginners face. Yes, that is the color pencil blending, how to blend the colors. So, let's get started. In this video, I have tried to mix the two colors, different types of colors, and how to blend them together to get the mid-tone or mixed tone of that. And using the same technique later, I will be drawing few smileys. And in case if you're interested only seeing in smileys, you can skip to the content as per the timing mentioned on your screen. But I would recommend watching it throughout so that you understand the process of blending and then enjoy this smiley. So one thing I have learned till now is that color pencil is a very slow process compared to pencil, graphite pencil or the charcoal. That's why you have to have a lot of patience to try out a color pencil. And in order to blend two colors, as I am showing over here, first I have used this purple color where I have drawn this shade properly. On the one side it is darker, but the other side where the other color will blend, I have kept it very light. Similar thing I'm doing for with the pink pencil also. And then slowly, gradually, I would first of all mix these two color and then apply another layer of the color. Here I have ensured that my color pencil is sharp, and I am using very light to no pressure when I am doing the shading. Now let's mix some different color to see whether this blending is happening properly or not. As you can see that colors are blending very properly. Here I've applied only two coats, but you can apply more coats to make it more vibrant and a better one. So now let's get started with the smiley process. Here I'm going to use the same process as we just saw above, how to blend the color. I'll be using orange color, yellow color to actually blend it and give it little brown structure, and you will see how it comes out. Now our smileys are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.